Hey, what's happening, guys? This is JG from the Kuryakyn Garage, and today we're going to talk about our brand new LED turn signal inserts called LuminEZ. LuminEZ are direct replacements for the stock 1157 or 1156 style bulbs, and we have options for both bullet and flat turn signals. LuminEZ are available for a wide range of early and late model Harleys, including Dyna, Softail, Sportster, and touring bikes. They are CAN bus compatible, however non-CAN bus models will require a Load Equalizer, which we do sell separately. Front turn signal options include 1157 style dual circuit white running light with amber switchback turn signals, or 1157 dual circuit amber running light and amber turn signals. LuminEZ rear turn signal options include 1157 dual circuit red run turn brake or 1156 single circuit in amber or red turn signal only. So again, LuminEZ are the direct replacements for your stock bulbs, and what's cool about these is they're actually going to reuse your stock lenses or any lens and bezel combination that will work with the stock turn signals. One of the cool things about the LuminEZ inserts, and honestly one of the things that sets them apart from the others out there, is that they are fully encased by a polycarbonate lens. What that does is it adds protection to the circuit board on back and also the LED board on front. The polycarbonate lens is going to protect it from any moisture. It's also going to improve vibration resistance and overall durability. Super quick, super easy, and guaranteed to make your ride stand out whether it's day or night. The LuminEZ inserts retail for $89.99 a pair. You can find them at www.kuryakyn.com or through any of our dealers.